Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. Today I'll show you how to display page numbers on your Kindle. So this is Kindle Basic and the process should apply to any Kindle. And this is actually my own book, Money Hacks, and I'm going to show you how to display page numbers. Now, a note that not every book may have the option to show you page numbers, and we're going to find out whether this book, Money Hacks, has the option to page number. So to view page number, click on the upper side of the Kindle somewhere around here. So let's click on it, and then here you're going to see AA. So if you click on it, now here you're going to see some options, and we're going to click on more, which is right here. And then here there are a few other options, and we're going to click on the first option, which is reading progress. So if you click on it, now here you can see that by default it's showing the location in book. So a location is just a line number, and the location in a book is not going to change regardless of your Kindle device. That's why by default Amazon always shows location. Now it looks like this book actually doesn't have the option to change page number, so which is right here. So what we'll do, we'll just go back to another book, and let's see if we have the option or if you can get the option from another book. So I'm just going to click here, a random book, and then I'm just going to click again on the upper side of the book, which is right here, and then let's click on A again, and then here we're going to click on more, which is right here, and click on here. So now you can see that it's showing the page in book, and this is checked off, but you have the option to change it to time left in chapter, time left in book, location, or nothing. So I'll just keep the page in book, and let's go back and see what we come up with. So here you can see that it's showing the page number, which is page 7, and you read 4% of the book. So that's how you display page number on your Kindle. For the next Kindle tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.